I am on the official, not a cop, last drive with the Chrysler 300S. We've had it now for about a week, no, 2 weeks. So we're gonna see if we can make a profit. We're kind of going back and forth with how we're gonna sell it, what we're gonna do. But in this video, by the end of this video, you will know how much we sold it for, how much we put into it, and if we made a profit. So stay tuned. All right, welcome back to the very last episode of Can We Make a Profit with That Car? I think this is part 5 now. I think we're on part 5. So over the last week and a half, we've had the car. We bought it a week and a half ago. We paid $41.95 for the car. We put $1234.42 into a new oil cooler housing, new injector, fixing the backup camera, the actuator in the trunk so that it could actually open and you didn't have to crawl in every time you needed to access the trunk. We had to get a new cabin air filter because of the 5 years of parts issue and a new windshield. So all in all, everything totaled up. We spent, forgot to calculate it, we spent $5604.42 total on the car. Now we're at the point where it's like, okay, it's time to sell it. What do we do? How do we sell it? Because listing it on Marketplace is going to be tough. A, because I'm a dumbass and I have documented the entire process.
What an idiot!
So somebody's going to see the video and be like, oh, well, you only paid $5604.42 for the car and you're trying to get 10 grand out of it, right? Okay. Also, that's not very funny. And then the other downside that we have is because I make these videos on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook and YouTube, I have a really hard time on Marketplace these days because most people fucking recognize me and they go, oh, it's Denny. So when I try to lowball on an Integra, people laugh and go, how's your car coming along? Shut up. Hate you. It's the worst. So anyway, I have to get a fake profile going. The funniest way I think that we could do this would be a week and a half later to send it right back to the same place we got it from.
Sometimes my genius is, it's almost frightening.
So we're gonna take it back into Regal Auctions, we're gonna drop it off, we're gonna set a reserve of $6,000. That's gonna cover what we have into the car and the seller fee that they charge. So if we get $6,000 for this car, we get one bid on the car and they agree to pay $6,000, we don't make a penny. Any bid over that, we make money. So that's how we'll do this. We'll see, like, how much are we actually going to make? What's our exact investment into the car versus exactly what we get out. So we're gonna drop it off right now. Tuesday the auction goes live. That's the final, or it goes live tomorrow, but it closes Tuesday. So that'll be the final day. So we'll see how much money we make between now and then. See if we can make some money, boys. All right, it's officially dropped off, contract in hand. You just got listed for $59.95. This is a 2016 Chrysler 300S, rear-wheel drive, no mechanical issues. You better bring more than $6,000. But that's what we got into it, so that's all we need to get out of it. All right, so today's Wednesday. We dropped the car off on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We dropped the car off on Thursday at the auction house. So the auction is live now. Our reserve is set at $5,995. They wanted it to be $5 under $6,000 for whatever reason. We currently have 8 minutes and 3 seconds to go, and the bid is sitting at $4,900. So a little over $1,000 below the reserve price. So if there wasn't buyer fees and taxes and all that stuff involved, we would make money with another $500. But because we have to pay the seller fee, we have to pay the seller fee. So we won't make money at that price. So, or not even make money. We won't break even. We'll lose money because we'll have to pay the seller fee out of our pocket. So it's currently at auction. As you can see now, we're at 7 minutes and 30 seconds. And the reserve is set at $5,995. And the current price is $4,900. So in the next 7 minutes and now 20 seconds, we need more bids. We need more people to step in and bring that up. $5,995 is not a bad price for a 2016 Chrysler 300, but it is what it is. You play the game, so we'll see. If it doesn't sell at that $5,995, we will talk about it. We'll make a plan, and we'll go from there. But right now, we're just watching, so stick around. Okay, the bids are happening. It's happening. I love this part. This is the addicting part about auctions. It's bad. It's kind of like gambling. So right now we are at 34 bids. We went from 28 to 34, pretty much in the blink of an eye. We're at 5,200. So we're so close to making that reserve, and there's still 5 minutes and 4 seconds left.
So every time they bid, it resets the timer.
Every time they no. So once it gets down to the 3-minute window, every time they bid after that, then it'll reset the window to 3 minutes. So it's a 3-minute reset every time. So we'll see. We're at 4 minutes and 50 seconds now. Still 34 bids, $5,200. It's getting fucking exciting. This is why I used to have such a bad problem with auctions when I was younger. I used to buy 2 to 3 cars every week, constantly. Cars I didn't even want, but I knew I could sell. Yeah, it's fun.
Dang.
Is it going up? Anybody bid yet?
Not yet.
Bastards. Come on.
4 minutes left though.
Oh, stressing me out, man. One bid. Nope, no bids. And now, no, it's like Call of Duty timing. Fucking look, don't look, and then change, right?
No.
Oh, unreal.
Oh.
Oh.
No.
Oh. I don't like you. Anything?
Not yet.
Oh, come on.
Oh.
Oh?
Oh.
You lying?
No.
Oh! 36 bit, 5,300. We're fucking this close to make it 5,400. Yes!
Jesus.
Oh, sorry, hold on, pause. Don't get it. 5,500. Yes, we're gonna make fucking reserve. Okay, keep in mind that reserve. We're still not making a profit. 5,600. Oh, they want it. The boys want it. The boys want the car. Look at that. Just a bunch of dirty duders. 57. One more. Come on. Get her done. Come on, boys.
58.
58. Come on. 195. Oh, 95 more. One more bid gets you guys the car, and I'm out of the car. So we're committed in 3, 2, 1, now. Didn't work. 30 seconds left. Nobody's gonna give me that extra $95? Come on, you bastards. Oh, 6,000. We got that extra 95. All right, one more bid. Okay, now we're going up. Are we gonna make, this is where, are we gonna make money? If they bid on it one more time, we make money. Not a lot of money. It might only be $100. Oh, 61. We made money. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Right now, you bastards.
Even Stink would say that stinks.
Son of a bitch. All right, we made $100.
What? Just so rich.
$100 is still $100.
$100 is $100, and we had a secondary car for a bit. So let's do it again. I'm gonna buy another vehicle.
Oh God.
Hold on, there's still lots closing. Let me see what I can find.
No.
You want a 2010 Honda Pilot with 300,000 kilometers on it?
No.
All right, we'll keep looking. That's the end of this series. I'm probably going to look and find another vehicle to buy. So we made roughly $100. We will do a total calculation at the end once we actually get the check, because there might be other fees, or I'm not factoring in calculating fees properly. I want to sit down and go through my invoices and make sure that we have everything right. So we will show you guys exactly what we made off the car or lost, which I'm pretty confident we didn't lose. But we didn't make as much money as I would have liked. But at the end of the day, we still made something. We got a free car for 2 weeks, right? So it's not that bad. Not the burp. That tastes like Monster, but that's not that bad. So, you know, it's something, right? There's more money in car flipping if you can sell them on Marketplace. But unfortunately, most people in the area know me. So it's tough.
Yeah.
We did the calculation. Turns out the seller fee is a flat 10% plus $10 per auction. So that means that the cost to sell the vehicle back at auction ended up costing $620 total, which unfortunately ate away at our profit, and we lost $124.42.
I am never going to financially recover from this.
So,
Sick.
yeah. I'm gonna do it again though. Fucking do it again. It's fun. I like it. I don't care. Next time, maybe we won't sell it at auction again. I just thought it would be the funniest way to do it.
Sell it on Marketplace under my name.
We'll see. We'll figure it out.
No one knows me.
We'll find a solution. We'll do something.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. Thanks for watching. It was fun, right? Four videos? 5 maybe? I don't know. I can't make a profit. I can't count. So, what it is. See you next time.